revealing the vibrance of Times Square, New York's pulse. Welcome to the core of NYC, the stunning, famous, and unmissable Times Square. Known as the intersection of the world, this dynamic center isn't simply an objective. It's an encounter. In this video, we will take you on a vivid excursion through Times Square, sharing its set of experiences, its zapping energy, and the unlikely treasures that make it a spot like no other. In this way, we should make a plunge. 1. A concise history of Times Square. Before Times Square turned into the sparkling focal point of amusement and the travel industry, it had humbler starting points. Initially known as Longacre Square, the region was renamed in 1904 when the base camp of the New York Times moved to what is presently the notable multiple Times Square. That very year, the principal jolted promotion illuminated the square, denoting the beginning of its glowing inheritance. Quick forward to now, and Times Square is an image of development, imagination, and sheer scene. It's no big surprise that more than 50 million guests rush here yearly to absorb its unmatched climate. 2. The splendid lights and announcements. One of the principal things you'll see as you step into Times Square is the ocean of lights. Transcending drove announcements, streak promotions for the greatest brands, Broadway shows, and impending films. Do you have any idea what the name of these bulletins is? They're designated spectaculars and an expense of a huge number of dollars a year to keep up with. At the point when sun sets, Times Square changes into an enlightened wonderland, making it the ideal spot for photographs, recordings, and essentially absorbing the wizardry. Fun truth: Times Square is splendid to the point that it tends to be seen from space. 3. The core of amusement, Broadway. No excursion to Times Square is finished without referencing Broadway. With more than 40 venues situated within strolling distance, this region is a famous hub for theater sweethearts. From works of art like The Apparition of the Drama to present-day hits like Hamilton, Broadway offers something for everybody. In the event that you want to get a show, here's a tip. Visit the TKTS stall in Times Square for limited same-day tickets. You'll set aside cash, yet get to encounter top-notch exhibitions. 4. Must-see milestones in Times Square. There's such a great amount to find in Times Square, yet the following are a couple of spots you totally can't miss. A. The red advances. Situated over the TKTS stall, these popular red advances are an incredible spot to take a load off, snap photographs, and human watch. They additionally give one of the most mind-blowing vantage points for absorbing the square's energy. B. Multiple Times Square. Here, the New Year's Eve ball drop happens consistently. However, for the most part, void inside, its outside is quite possibly one of the most captured spots in Times Square.c. The Times Square Ball. Discussing the ball drop, did you have any idea that the New Year's Eve custom began in 1907? The ball has gone through a few upgrades throughout the long term and presently includes north of 2,600 Waterford precious stones. It's an image of festivity and expectation for individuals all over the planet. 5. Unexpected yet invaluable treasures you could miss. While the splendid lights and clamoring swarms are charming, Times Square has a couple of less popular fortunes. The 12 p.m. Second, consistently from 11:57 p.m. to 12 p.m., the boards synchronize to show a 3-minute computerized workmanship show. A hypnotizing experience is totally free. Gulliver's Entryway. This fascination includes inconceivably point-by-point, smaller than normal models of urban areas from around the world. It's an intriguing break from the disarray outside. The Times Square Guest Place. Many individuals neglect this spot, yet it's loaded with verifiable displays and, surprisingly, another Year's Eve confetti wishing wall. 6. Eating in Times Square is a foodie's heaven, offering all that from light meals to top-notch food. Here are a few suggestions. Junior's Cheesecake. Well known for its smooth, wanton cheesecake, this spot is a must-visit for dessert sweethearts. Ellen's Stardust Cafe. Appreciate exemplary American charge while being entertained by a Broadway-bound team of servers. Carmine's Italian Cafe, ideal for family-style eating with liberal segments. If you like the video, don't forget to like it, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, so that we can improve together every day Together, we will find more information about traveling and the joy of life, and share these nice ideas and information with friends. Don't forget that we are all guests of this world and that we should rationally find new ways and information every day that will make us happier than yesterday.